Welcome back, Crammers, to question 4. Change 5.48 meters into centimeters. 1 meter is equivalent to 100 centimeters. So we simply multiply 5.48 times 100. Now we can bring the decimal to the right twice. 1, 2. And that simply gives us 548 centimeters. Change 4,600 milliliters into liters. So we know that 1,000 milliliters is equivalent to 1 liter. So we can divide this value, 4,600, divided by 1,000. So we bring the decimal to the left 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and we get 4.6 liters. Here is an isosceles triangle, ABC. AC is given as 5 centimeters. The perimeter of the triangle is 32 centimeters. Work out the length of AB. Now, we can see from these lines that these two sides are equal. So that means this is an isosceles triangle. If we subtract 32 minus 5, now we have the length of both AB and BC. But since we only want to find AB, we divide this by 2. So 32 minus 5 is 27. 27 divided by 2 is 13.5. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.